Всем привет! Hello everyone! Welcome back to Russian for Beginners with Marina. Today we're going to learn names of different countries and how to say where you're from. The question, where are you from, is Откуда ты? Откуда ты? Откуда meaning where from and ты meaning you. And to say I'm from, you will say Я из. Я meaning I am and из meaning from. Я из, I'm from. Before we continue, there is one thing you might want to know. Words in Russian change their shape a lot. So now we will go over names of some countries, but all of them will change their shape a bit when they follow the word is, from. Maybe it will be easier with examples. Let's start with Russia. Not that you will have to say it, but I'm guessing you might hear it a lot. So, Russia. Россия. Россия. To say I'm from Russia, we will lose the last letter vowel ya and add e instead. Я из России. Я из России. Let's take another country, the US. Most of the time, we just call it America. There are other names, and you can see them all in one of my other videos from the Choose Your Country series. But for now, just to convey the message, America will serve this purpose just right. I'm from the US. Я из, and the word America will do the same thing. It will drop the last vowel a and take the letter e instead. Я из Америки. Я из Америки. Let's take one more country, Germany. Германия. Германия. Now that you know how it works, you will be able to say, I'm from Germany. Я из Германии. Now, let's name some more countries. India. Индия. Я из Индии. Japan. Япония. Я из Японии. Australia. Австралия. Я из Австралии. Great Britain. Великобритания. Let's repeat this one. Великобритания. Я из Великобритании. France. Франция. Я из Франции. Italy. Италия. Я из Италии. Spain. Испания. Я из Испании. Turkey. Турция. Я из Турции. Finland. Финляндия. Я из Финляндии. Brazil. Бразилия. Я из Бразилии. Nigeria. Нигерия. Я из Нигерии. One more thing. There are some names of countries that do not finish with a vowel, but with a consonant. Those ones will not drop their last letter, but add an A letter at the end. Like here, Thailand, Thailand. Я из Таиланда. Вьетнам. Вьетнам. Я из Вьетнама. China. Китай. Я из Китая. That is it. Now you can say where you're from with ease. Also, answer this question below. А откуда ты?